I am never using 10 different AI video tools again, and after you see this, neither will you. If you have used AI video tools before, you know the problems. You generate a clip. It looks great for 3 seconds. Then the character morphs into someone else. The background glitches. The story breaks apart. You try to stitch clips together in an editor. It looks like a slideshow. There is no flow. There is no narrative. And to get anything usable, you need to know 10+ models for video, image, and audio. You jump between tools. You export. You import. You lose quality at every step. You spend hours trying to make 3 disconnected clips look like one story. Models have progressed, but no one built a coherent system for storytelling. It has been a patchwork, advanced AI with no narrative intelligence underneath. I spent more time fighting with the AI than telling my story. I was not creating, I was stitching. That changed when I found this. This is MagicLight, the first AI video platform built for long-form storytelling. Up to 60 minutes of AI-generated video in a single project. Consistent characters, multiple visual styles, seamless scene transitions. You describe your story. MagicLight builds the entire video. Storytelling has a language. MagicLight finally learned to speak it. Step 1. Open your browser. Type magiclight.ai in the address bar and press enter. Look at the center of the page. You will see a button that says, Create your first video for free. Click it. Free to try. No credit card required. You will be taken to the login page. You will see options to log in with Google, Apple, Discord, or email. If you do not have an account, click Sign Up at the bottom. Complete registration. When the dashboard loads, look at the left sidebar. You will see Home, Assets, Marketplace, Create, and API. Under Marketplace, you will see Character and Polish Skills. Under Create, you will see Story to Video, Kids Story, Music Video, Explainer Video, Character Vlog, Religious Story, and Image to Video. This is your entire creation workspace. Every tool is accessible from here. For this tutorial, we are going to build a complete video from scratch with MagicLight, from idea to finished video, so you see exactly how to make a full video in one tool. Now look at the main area. You will see 4 large cards: Story to Video, Kids Story Video, Magic Claw, Beta, and Religious Story. Each one has a Create button. Below that, you will see quick access tools: one-click video, music video, image to video, and AI character. Now here is where everything else falls apart, and MagicLight does not. Click on Story to Video in the left sidebar. Look at the center of the page. You will see templates organized by category: featured, cartoon, music, religion, explainer, vlog, kids story, one-click video, image to video. You do not start from a blank page. You plug your idea into a working template. Now click on the Create button on Story to Video. You are taken to the creation interface. Look at the left panel. That is your story and character area. Click in the text box. Type your story. For example, a young inventor builds a time machine in her garage. She accidentally travels to the future and meets her older self. Now here is the moment that made me stop and pay attention. Look at the character section. Click Create Character. Describe your protagonist. For example, a young woman, 25 years old, messy brown hair, wearing a blue mechanic jumpsuit, curious eyes, holding a wrench. Click Generate. Watch the character sheet appear. You will see your character from multiple angles: front view, side view, close-up. Now click Approve on the look you like. That character is now locked into your story. Every scene will use this character. Every shot will keep this face. You do not re-describe. You do not re-upload. One character, every scene. Look at the right panel. That is your scene builder. You will see your story broken into scenes. Click on each scene. You can adjust the camera angle, the lighting, the action. For example, Scene 1, wide shot, garage interior, morning light, character examining a blueprint. Click Generate on the scene. Watch the video clip render. Now click Generate on Scene 2. Watch it render. Now click Generate on Scene 3. Watch it render. This is where you really see the main idea of MagicLight. You can control a full video, not just a single clip, and flexibly choose your video length up to 60 minutes, all from this one tool. You are not jumping between editors. You are building the whole video inside MagicLight. Now here's the second capability, seamless transitions. Look at the transition between scenes. MagicLight automatically adjusts the lighting, the perspective, and the style, so the cut feels natural. You do not notice the transition. The story flows. Now look at this, visual style control. Look at the style selector. You will see options, Zootopia, realistic, comic, animals, illustration, suspense, Disney, Pixar, 3D cartoon, picture book. For this demo, choose a style that really pops on YouTube. For example, Disney or 3D cartoon. Click Disney. Watch the entire video regenerate in the Disney style. Or click 3D cartoon and let it rebuild as a 3D animated story. Same story, same characters, different visual language. One click. You can even use this Disney or 3D cartoon demo video right at the beginning of your video, just to hook viewers, show them a few seconds of the finished MagicLight video, then jump back into the tutorial so they see what is possible. Now here is the most advanced capability, one-click video. Click on one-click video in the left sidebar. Type a single sentence. For example, a chef discovers a secret ingredient that makes everything taste like childhood memories. Click Generate. Watch the entire video build itself. Script, characters, scenes, transitions, voiceover, music, everything, in one click. Now look at this. Image to video. Click on Image to video. Upload a photo. Describe the motion. For example, the camera slowly zooms in on the subject's face as they turn and smile. Click Generate. Your static image becomes a living scene. Now here is Kids Story. Click on Kids Story. Select an age group, select a theme, type your story idea. Click Generate. Watch a complete children's story video render. Characters, scenes, narration, music, all built for kids. This is why MagicLight is one of the top choices for creating kids' story videos and YouTube videos. The styles, pacing, and templates are tuned for those formats out of the box. Now here is Explainer Video. Click on Explainer Video. Paste your article or script. Select a visual style. Click Generate. Watch an explainer video build itself with consistent characters, scene transitions, and voiceover. Now here is Religious Story. Click on Religious Story. Select your story. Click Generate. Watch a complete religious narrative video render with appropriate visuals, characters, and pacing. Now here is Music Video. Click on Music Video. Upload your audio or select a track from the library. Type a concept. Click Generate. Watch a music video build itself with synchronized visuals. Same characters, same story, same visual language. One person, one laptop, a few minutes. To export, look for the download button at the top of the video player. Click it. Select your resolution. Click Download. Your video is ready. I built a 10-minute story video in 15 minutes. Compare that to what you could make in 15 minutes with your current tools. The difference is not just quality, it is workflow. It is storytelling. Now, here is a feature that turns your projects into income. Look back at the left sidebar and top navigation. Click on Assets to open the asset library. This is where you can save your characters, scenes, and templates as reusable assets. Inside the asset library, you can build your own templates. For example, a kids' story episode format, a YouTube explainer format, or a recurring vlog style, and turn them into assets other creators can use. When you publish templates into the marketplace from your asset library, other users can use and purchase them, which means you can actually monetize your work and earn from the templates you create. So it is not just make one video and move on. With the asset library, you can build a library of templates, list them, and turn your MagicLight projects into a source of income over time. The free plan is $0. You get 1 character creation, 2 image regenerations, 1 dynamic conversion, and access to ChatGPT-4. The standard plan is $6 a month, or $72 a year. You get up to 10 one-click story videos, 130 minutes of video generation, 290 seconds of image to video, access to Gemini 3, ChatGPT 5, and foundational models, support for 50-minute videos, nano toolbox, voice cloning, 1080p HD, no watermark, and a commercial license. The Pro plan is $17.50 a month, or $210 a year. You get up to 80 one-click story videos, 780 minutes of video generation, 1680 seconds of image to video, 45,000 credits per month, and 20% off voice cloning. To build this setup on your own, you would need separate subscriptions for character design, story writing, video generation, voiceover, music, and editing. Easily $100 plus a month. MagicLight gives you all of it starting at free. MagicLight does 3 things that change everything. First, character consistency. Your protagonist looks the same in every scene, every shot, every transition. Second, long-form storytelling. Up to 60 minutes of AI-generated video in one project, not 10-second clips. Third, a complete workflow. Story to video, kids story, music video, explainer, character vlog, religious story, image to video, one-click video, all in one platform. This is not AI with clips. This is AI with narrative. And for the first time, a complete AI storytelling system exists for serious creators. If you are a storyteller, a content creator, a marketer, or anyone who needs to tell a story through video, use MagicLight now and save yourself the hassle of stitching disconnected clips, fighting with character consistency, and jumping between 10 different tools. Go to magiclight.ai, click Create Your First Video for free, type your story, choose a style like Disney or 3D cartoon if you want that cinematic, clickable look. Generate your video, save your favorite setup as a template in the asset library so you can reuse it or even monetize it later. Try it today. Link is in the description. Stories belong to everyone. MagicLight finally made them accessible.